Mount Huashan is one of China's 5 great mountains, known for its thrilling trails and stunning peaks. With the famous plank walk, Huashan offers one of the world's most dangerous hikes, perfect for thrill seekers. Begin your journey in Xi'an, where ancient history meets modern travel, your gateway to Mount Huashan. From Xi'an, you can either drive 2 hours via the G30 expressway or take a 30-minute high-speed train. A road trip offers you scenic views of China's beautiful countryside, setting the tone for the adventure ahead. For a quicker option, take the high-speed train from Xi'an North Station to Huashan North, arriving in under 40 minutes. Upon arrival, shuttle buses take you to the mountain base, where the real adventure begins. There are 2 cable cars, North Peak, leading to the Cloud Terrace, and West Peak, offering higher scenic views. Huashan's East Peak, also called Facing Sun Peak, is famous for stunning sunrises at its 2,090-meter summit. West Peak, the Lotus Flower Peak, is the most beautiful, with a temple resting atop a rock resembling a lotus. At 2,154 meters, South Peak is the highest and rewards hikers with breathtaking panoramic views of the region. Huashan's trails are narrow and steep, offering an exciting challenge for those who dare to conquer the peaks. North Peak, known as Cloud Terrace Peak, serves as the entrance. Middle Peak, or Jade Maiden, is rich in legend. For the brave, the South Peak's plank walk is a narrow trail suspended high above the ground, unforgettable. Watch as the sunset casts its glow over Huashan, a perfect end to an exhilarating adventure. Whether by train or car, the journey to Huashan promises adventure, stunning views, and lifelong memories.